Today let me show you how you can freeze your berries. So these are blueberries which I have ordered from supermarket. If you want to store them for a longer period of time, say for example for a year, then let me show you the technique how I do it. Take a baking tray and take a parchment paper on that without washing these berries. Okay, so without washing your berries, just put them on the paper. Try to remove all the stems. And just put them like that. Okay, we are going to freeze this. We are going to freeze this for about 2 hours, but they have to be separated like this. Okay, and the stems should be completely removed. So let me show you what to do after 1 or 2 hours of freezing our fresh blueberries. It's been 2 hours and my berries are nicely frozen. Right now what we can do is take a Ziploc bag or any plastic bag like this and transfer all your berries into that. If you follow this method, your berries will never stick to each other and they will stay fresh for a long period of time. Whenever you want to include them in your any of the recipes, you can just remove how much ever you want and then you can wash them. See, this pack is ready. Now I'm going to seal it. If you have a Ziploc bag, you can definitely go ahead and use the Ziploc bag for storing your berries. And those are my frozen berries. They are never going to stick to each other. Whenever I want, I can just open the pack and use how much ever I need. Of course, you need to wash them before using these berries in the recipe. You have to store this frozen and this will stay good for up to a year.